Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Robi. You can call me Robi.
Okay, Robi, may I see your ID card?
Yes,
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Prague, beautiful city.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is traveling.
What's your future plan, Robin?
My future plan is to be a successful businessman.
Who cooks in your family?
Uh, my mother cooks in my family.
How many members are there in your family?
There are four members in my family: my father, my mother, my younger brother.
Who is the earning person in your family?
My father is earning person in my family. He is a farmer.
Okay. Why do you like business?
I like business. Business gives more opportunity. Business gives freedom. So I like business.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher, Vishwanath sir. He's an honest man. He's a good person, and he everyone motivate us.
Did you go on a study tour?
Yes, I went to Dhaka on study tour.
Who is your favorite person in your family?
In my family, my favorite person, my father.
Are you a joint family?
Yes,
Do you like studying?
I like studying.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is economics.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Okay, Robi. Thank you. You may leave now.
Thanks.